Okay, I am on my way from Sam's Club. I was in Sam's Club doing some shopping, and because of that fraud alert that I had from the other day, they locked my card, and because my chip won't work in the machine here, they won't allow it to slide, so I had to leave my groceries. So I guess I will just go home and, if I'd have had Gary's card, I could have just used his, but because his card's not locked, just mine. So I might have to go get his card and then go to one of the other stores, because I'm not coming back to Sam's. Because I was in Sam's too long to begin with, and then I was on the phone with USAA. I'm just thankful that I have USAA, because they stopped those transactions and locked my card. But then when you're trying to go to the store, you forget about those things, and I should have called the bank prior to. Yeah. So now I have a new card on order. So I'll do that. I'll probably go to the store later and just pick up what I need. Because apparently I didn't need all that stuff anyway, so it was just God's way protecting me from buying more than I needed. But I am dying of thirst right now, and I didn't bring a water with me, so I guess I will talk to you all later, and we'll go from there. Bye.